Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato with a machine. First, gather your high-quality ingredients including whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and your desired flavorings. For a rich chocolate gelato, you might use 50 grams of cocoa powder. Next, ensure your gelato machine's bowl is properly pre-chilled, ideally for at least 12 hours in a freezer. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect creamy texture. Finally, prepare any fruit purees or extracts you plan to incorporate. Now let's prepare the gelato base. Combine your milk, cream, and sugar in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar is fully dissolved. Do not boil the mixture. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and stir in your primary flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 150 grams of fruit puree. Allow the base to cool to room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This chilling step is vital for flavor development. With your base thoroughly chilled, it's time to churn. Pour the cold gelato base into your pre-chilled gelato machine bowl. Turn on the machine and let it churn. The churning process usually takes between 20 and 30 minutes, depending on your specific machine model and the desired consistency. As it churns, the mixture will thicken and incorporate air, becoming light and creamy. You'll know it's ready when it reaches the consistency of a thick soft-serve ice cream, typically around 80% frozen. Once churned, quickly transfer your fresh gelato into a pre-chilled airtight container. This helps prevent ice crystal formation. Place the container in your freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow the gelato to firm up to a scoopable consistency. For the best experience, serve your homemade gelato within a few days. If it becomes too hard, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. Enjoy your delicious, creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.